Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately. Turn the car off, remove the key, and chock at least one axle so the car cannot roll. Once done, engage the parking brake and position yourself on the curbside. Locate the reinforced jacking points on the sill and the belly pad. These are why you use the jack where listed. Slide a low-profile trolley jack under the belly pad, pump until the car just clears the ground, and then set axle stands under the designated sill points. Once the stands are in place, continue lifting slowly until the car is stable on the stands. Never rely on the jack alone. Make sure stands contact reinforced areas, then relieve the jack and test stability by gently rocking the vehicle. You should have loosened lug nuts a half turn earlier. Now remove them fully and pull the wheel straight off. Be aware of heavier components on an electric drive. Support any wiring or cooling lines as you extract the wheel so nothing pulls or jams. You finish by putting the wheel back on, finger tightening the lugs in sequence. Once the wheel contacts the ground, lower the jack so the car bears full weight, then torque the lugs in a star pattern to the manufacturer spec. After torquing, remove the stands and store gear. Make sure to drive slowly for the first kilometer to feel for noises. If the lift felt unstable at any point, lower immediately, reposition stands on firmer ground, and repeat. The fix is repositioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.